Chris is here with us today, 12 months after his session. When he came at the age of 40, he looked like this. It was a complete stage 5. This is the image from above with long hair. So we proceed to a 2-day session, 3,500 grafts. You can see here, I transplanted with dense packing the frontal area and also another approximately 500 to 600 grafts on this large crown, which I estimated that it will benefit from Minoxidil because he wasn't willing to take finasteride. Let's see what we got. So this is his result. Okay, you can see it's a bit tough, quite thick the hair, isn't it? You can see that we have a uniform hair. So this area that I did not transplant, the frontal area and the crown are quite uniform, the density. Actually, the crown is a bit, could use some more grafts, but at the moment we didn't have any more. I decided to harvest 3,500. This is his donor area. You can come very close and see that with 3,500 grafts, you see zero signs of surgery. He has a normal average hair, actually altogether, but he had a good calculated density. It was approximately 10,000 hairs in these 3,500 grafts. Let's see how it looks with wet hair for those who want to see wet hairlines. So this is the result. You can come closer. So for one session, I think this is an excellent result, absolutely natural. And unfortunately, Chris is a bit camera shy, so we're not going to get any comments from him, but I think he can give us a thumbs up. What do you think?
Just perfect. That's all I can say.
Okay, which one of these two comps you would like to have?
I'll keep this one.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations for your great choice of clinic.
Thank you.
And
The only choice.
and I'm really happy for your result, really.